Welcome to my channel. Learn English together. Hi friends! Today our topic is a friendly conversation to improve spoken English. Hey Bob! How's it going?
Hey, Alice. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. You know, I've been feeling a bit insecure about my spoken English lately. I want to improve it, and I thought you could help.
Of course. I'd be more than happy to help you with your spoken English. Don't worry, it's going to be fun.
Thanks, Bob. I appreciate your support. So, where should we start?
Well, let's begin by having a casual conversation. Just talk about anything that interests you. I'll listen carefully and provide feedback if necessary.
Okay. Well, I love traveling. Last summer, I went to Thailand, and it was an incredible experience. The beaches, the food, and the culture were amazing.
That sounds fantastic. Thailand is on my travel bucket list. I've heard it's a beautiful country. What was your favorite part of the trip?
Oh, the food, definitely. The flavors were so different from what I'm used to. I tried dishes like pad thai and tom yum, and they were delicious.
Nice. Exploring different cuisines is always a wonderful experience. It's great to step out of your comfort zone and try new things.
True. Speaking of stepping out of my comfort zone, that's what I'm doing right now with my English. I want to get better at expressing myself without hesitation.
You're doing great already, Alice. Just remember, it's okay to make mistakes. We learn from them. Plus, you have a good grasp of the language.
Thanks for the encouragement. Sometimes, I feel like my grammar is holding me back.
Don't let grammar get in the way of expressing yourself. It's important, but the main goal is to communicate and be understood. The more you practice, the better you'll become.
You're right. I just need to practice more. Maybe we could have these conversations regularly?
Absolutely. We can make it a regular thing. We could even pick some topics to discuss beforehand, so you feel more prepared.
That sounds like a great idea. I could also try watching more English movies and reading English books.
Those are excellent ways to improve your language skills. It'll expose you to different vocabulary and sentence structures.
I'll definitely do that. Thanks for the advice, Bob.
You're welcome, Alice. Just remember, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
I will. Thanks for being such a supportive friend.
Anytime. We're all here to help each other grow and learn. Now, how about we practice some everyday dialogues? We could pretend to order food at a restaurant or ask for directions.
That sounds like fun. Let's do it. And so, Alice and Bob continued their friendly conversation, enjoying their time together while working on Alice's spoken English. With each conversation, Alice gained confidence and improved her language skills, all thanks to her supportive friend, Bob. Language learning became an enjoyable and rewarding experience for Alice, reminding her that with persistence and encouragement, she could achieve her goals. Thanks for listening. If you found this spoken English practice video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to show your support, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any topics you'd like to see in future videos. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more spoken English videos.